Well, students, we'll discuss some more problems related to surface areas and volumes. We have here problem number 11. So, a container opened from the top is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper end are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Okay, so a container is then opened from the what top is in the form of what frustum. Okay, so it is in the form of frustum and height of the frustum they are given 16 and upper radius lower radius 8 centimeter R2 and R1 is they are given 20 centimeter. Okay, upper radius lower and upper. Okay, so everything they are given here. Now we need to find the cost of milk which can completely fill the container. Okay, at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. First will be find volume, then will be multiply by the what 20. So now here, so volume of container is equal to 1 by 3 pi h. Okay, R1 square plus of R2 square plus of R1 into R2. Okay, now so let me write here. So this implies 1 by 3 as it is. Pi we can take, otherwise I'll substitute later on into h. So first I'll solve this bracket, then will be substitute these values. Okay, now pi h. So R1 we have upper end is 20 centimeter and 20 square is, we can say that it is 400 plus lower end it is 8 centimeter means it is 64 plus R1 8 into 2. Okay, it is 160. So now we'll be write this one. So next again 1 by 3 pi into h as it is. Now 400 into 560 500 and this is 624 will come. Okay, so now this is 400 160 is 560 560 and 60, so 620 and 624 will come. Okay, so now once you got this much, so h how much we have, height is 16 we have. Okay, first this you can, if it is possible, I think it is possible. So 3 ones are and this is 3 20s are and remaining is 2. Okay, it is possible. So this is 20s are 60 will come. Okay, now 2 remaining means 24 will come. So 3 8s are it is. Okay, now 208 will come. So this is pi, I'll write this is 3 ones are. Okay, 22 by 7 into h is 16 and this is 208. Okay, so now we have remaining these quantities. Okay, so once we have these quantities, again we need to multiply everything. So we'll be multiply here 208 into 16, 6 8s are we have 8 6 are 56 54. Okay, we have now 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, again we have and 42 48. Okay, so this is it and 4 will come here. Now 0 it is 4 again. Now 4 6 2s are we have 12. Okay, now 1 we need to be, this is 8 0 and this is 2. So now 8 as it is. Now 4 and 8, so this is 12 will come here, 1 will go here, 3 and this is 3 3 3 2 8. Okay, now 3 3 through 2 8 and next we have into 22 again, into 2 8s are again we have it is 16. Now 2 2s are 4 1 5, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are again 6 again. So 2 8s are we have 16. So 1 is remaining, 2 2s are 4 and this is 5 will come, this is 6 and this is again 6. Now this is 6, 5 and 6 we have 11, so 1 will come here. Now this is 6 plus 6 is again 12, 1 will come here, 6 6 it is 12 and 13, so this is again we have 7. Okay, so now 7 3 2 1 6 So this becomes, all right, 73216 by 7. Okay, 73216 by 7 will get here. Next, once you got this much, so we need to divide this one. Okay, tenza it is. So remaining tenza means 3 remaining, 32. Okay, 32 means we'll get here forza. So forza, and again remaining 3, 2 and 2. Okay, 4 remaining. So 4 remaining means 41. 41 means 5za will come it is, and 6 remaining, 66 will be happens it is. 66 means 7 9za. Okay, so 66, 7 9za 63, 3 remaining means we'll keep here 1.3 remaining in this point, and the 30 it is again forza. Okay, so forza 28. So this quantities are okay. Okay, now what I'll be doing means I'll write here how much we'll get this one. So 10,459.4 will get. Okay, 10,459.4. once you got this much, so now this is centimeter cube. Okay, centimeter cube. So we need find the cost of milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of ₹20 per liter. So we need in liters, so I'll convert this one. So 10,459.4 divided by it is 1000. So what will be 1 2 3? Okay, so it is 10.45. okay, it is liters. Okay, 10.45 liters. So once you converted this one, so amount they are given per liter 20. So for 10 liter 45, how much it is? So per liter 20 means it is 20 into 10.45. so how much will be happens it is, let me do here. So it is 10.45 and this is 20. So 0 0 0 0. Okay, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8, and this is 9 0. So 2. Okay, now 0 0 9 0, and this is 20. Okay, now how many decimal places we need to keep here? 2 decimal places. So answer will come, it is 209. Okay, rupees. 209 rupees. Okay, see here, this is very simple, and you know to calculate this basic also, because in this full chapter we need to know how to calculate this. Multiplication also is very important. Okay, each and every point you need to keep it in mind here. So we'll get final answer is rupees 209. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. Well students, now we have here next problem. The bottom of right cylindrical shaped vessel made from metallic sheet, okay, is closed by a cone, shaped vessel. The radius of the circular base of the cylindrical cylinder and radius of the circular base of the cone are each is equal to 7 centimeter. The radius of the cylinder and the radius of the cone are what? Equal to 7 centimeter here. If the height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter, height of the cylinder they are given 20 centimeter, height of cone is 3 centimeter. So height of the cone is 3 centimeter. Calculate the cost of milk, okay, to fill completely this vessel at the rate of ₹20 per liter. Okay, now we can say here, see what they are given. Bottom of right cylindrical shaped vessel made from metallic sheet is closed by a cone. Okay, shaped vessel, the radius both are what here? Same. And height of the cylinder, okay, it is they are given 20 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 20 and height of the cone is, it is 3 centimeter. Okay, calculate the cost of milk. Now we need here, okay, so what we need, just you can see, volume of, so volume of, or you can say capacity of, okay, so okay, what we need to completely fill the vessel at the rate, calculate the cost of milk. So capacity of vessel, so let me write this one. First we can calculate capacity of vessel, okay, is equal to, so volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Okay, now capacity of the vessel, we can say that what, volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So this becomes, we have volume of cylinder, so we can say it is pi r square h capital minus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square small h. Okay, now, so is there anything we have common here? Yes, we have pi and we have r, will take pi r square will take common. So remaining capital H minus of, it is 1 by 3 into small h. Okay, now pi r square, is it formula is correct? Yes, correct it is. Okay, pi r square. Now capital H, this is what, volume of cylinder. So height of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. So this is 20 centimeter. Now 1 by 3 as it is. Now height of the cone, so 3 centimeter here. The height of the cone is given already, 3 centimeter. Now this 3 will cancel here. Okay, now next we have here pi r square as it is, so remaining 19 here. Okay, so this implies, okay, now, so this is 22 by 7, we have r square, we have here r, so it is 7 into again 7 into 19, so 7 and this 7 will be cancel here. Okay, so now 22 into 7 is 154 into 19. Okay, so now it is okay, 154 into 19, so 9 4s are 36. Okay, 9 5s are 45, 48. So now 4 will come here, 9 and this is 13. Okay, now 4 5 1 6 8 and 4, it is 12. 1 will come, 6 and 3 is a 9 and this is 2. 2 9 2 6. Okay, 2 9 2 6 will get, this implies 2 9 2 6 centimeter cube. This is what capacity of vessel we got. Now, but what we need to calculate, we need to calculate here cost of milk to fill completely this vessel. Okay, so cost of milk we need to find. So before going to there, we need to divide by 1000. So in, this is centimeter cube is there. Okay, so now 2926, okay, divided by 1000. Okay, so now it is in liters, will be convert this one by dividing 1000. Now this is 2.926 liters. Okay, so 2.926 liters into per liter it is 20. So we can say it is 20 into 2.926. Okay, so what will be happens, it is just, you can say 20 into 2. So we can do here. So 2926, okay, by 20. So all will come 0 0 0. Now 2 6 are 12. So 1 will remaining 4 means 5 and this is 18. Okay, so 18, 8 will come here, 1 is remaining, 4 means 5. Okay, 0 2 5 and this is 8 and this is 5. Okay, now this will come 58.520 rupees. Okay, see here what will we get, the answer means 58.520 rupees. Okay, so calculate the cost of milk to fill completely this vessel. So 58 rupees 520. Okay, so this the cost of the what here to fill the complete vessel, this much of cost we need. So I hope you understood very well. Well, students, now we have our next question. A solid is in the shape of a cylinder with a cone attached at one end and a hemisphere attached to the other ends, as shown in figure. This is as shown in the figure. So one end attached to the what, here we can say cone, and one more is hemisphere, okay, as shown in the figure. All of them are of the same radius, all hemisphere and the cone and this cylinder, all three are what, same radius, 7 centimeter. If the total length of solid is total from here to here, it is 61 centimeter, and height of the cylinder is this, okay, 30 centimeter. Calculate the cost of painting the outer surface area of the solid at the rate of rupees 10 per 100 centimeter square, okay. So 10 per 100 centimeter square we need to calculate this one, okay. So what we need to do here, so just very simple, it is a solid is in the shape of cylinder. So very first of all, given things what they are given, radius r is equal to 7 centimeter, okay, for all it is same, okay. Now height h, this is height of cylinder is 30 centimeter, okay. Now once they are given means what we need to calculate means calculate the outer surface area, okay. So the outer surface area, outer surface area is equal to area of cone, area of cone plus now area of cylinder, area of cylinder plus one more we have, which one it is, area of hemisphere. So area of hemisphere, yes. So these all things need to calculate. Now one by one we'll go. So area of cone, what we have the formula, pi, okay, that is we can say pi r square, sorry, area of cone it is pi r l, okay. Now let me check, okay, it is correct, pi r l plus, so now area of cylinder 2 pi r h, so area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. So here we have l. So we need to calculate L. How we can calculate L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. So this becomes, we'll get r, we have 7, okay. So 7 square is, we know it very well, 49 plus of h square is 30, okay. It is height. So L we need to calculate this one, okay. So now we have 61 minus of 7. So minus of 30, so we'll get 24, okay. So 24 square is 576. Now this becomes, we'll get total 625, so we'll get 25 centimeter, okay. Now L is 25. Now this implies it is, we can take here pi. So here pi, 2 pi is there, here r, here also r, here also r. So we'll take pi, r is the common. So now it is L plus, now 2 into h, pi r we have taken common. Now we have 2 as it is, and r is remaining. Next, this implies we have it is pi r into bracket of L, we have 25 plus 2 into h. So this is height of the cylinder is 30, 60 it is, okay. So plus 2 into r, 14, okay. Now okay, 1 we are taken common here. So now this equal to, we have 25, 60, it is 85 and 14 is 99. So pi r into 99. Now we have pi, so it is 22 by 7, r we have 7 into 99, this 7 get cancelled. Now we'll get 22 into 99. So how we can solve, we know it very well, 20, it is 99, 22. So 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 1 19. Now 2 9s are 18, okay. So 8 will come, 2 9s are 18, so 8 1 19. Okay, so now this is 8 will come, 9 and 8 will get 17. So 17, 1 will come here. Now this is 2 and 9, it will get 11. So 2178. Okay, now this becomes 2178 centimeter cube. Okay, so 2178 centimeter cube. So this is what total the outer surface area, surface area we have. So centimeter square, 2178 centimeter square total outer surface area. Now what is our question? Calculate the cost of painting the outer surface area of the solid at the rate of rupees 10 per 100 centimeter square. Okay, so it is square. So now what will we do means here, okay, now I'll write this one here, 2178 centimeter square. Now I'll go with here. Now this implies we have 2178 by 100. So what will we get this one? So it is 3 digits. Okay, 2 digits, 21.78. okay, so this is and into solid at the rate of R10 per 100 centimeter square. Okay, so we got this area. Now into per 100, it is per 100 itself. Okay, what is, so let me check, into again. Okay, once you got means we need to multiply again. So now into 21.78 into 100, so 217.8, okay, rupees for per 100, 217.8 rupees. So this is very simple question. Here we have this figure they are given. So outer surface area, so this plus this 3 we need to add it, so we'll get one area. Again 10 per rupees 10 per 100 centimeter. Okay, so per 100 we need to convert it. So once you convert it means 21.78 will get into 10 we need to do here. Okay, so this is only 10. Okay, now 217.8 will come. So we got, once we got this is 217. So this is what the final answer here. I hope you understood. Well students, now we have here next problem. A solid metallic cylinder of diameter 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter melted and recast into toys in the shape of a right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere as shown in figure. Okay, so they are given the figure, cone, right circular cone which is mounted on, okay, and height of this cone and everything they are given, which is right circular cone mounted on hemisphere as shown in figure. This is mounted on hemisphere. If the radii of cone, hemisphere, radii of the cone and hemisphere 3 centimeter each, height of okay, so height of toy is 7 centimeter. So total height of this toy is 7 centimeter. Calculate number of toys that can be formed. Calculate number of toys that can be formed here. Okay, now so volume of cylinder, now we have, so volume of cylinder is equal to, so the volume of, see what we have here, volume of, so n number of toys we need to calculate, n into, so volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. We have next one is volume of hemisphere. Okay, so now, so this implies we have, so n volume of cylinder, what we have the formula, volume of cylinder pi r square h, okay, is equal to n as it is into volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now next, so from this we can keep pi r square h as it is here. Now in this, what is there any common we have? Yes, n I'll keep as it is 1 by 3 and here 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 and pi r square. So I'll take pi r square. So remaining here we have only h plus we have here 2 into r. Okay. Now see. Here pi r square and okay, sorry, this r square will not be cancelled, only pi and pi will be cancelled here. So the radius of this one is different. Okay, so diameter 12 means the radius is different. Okay, pi get cancelled here. Now next we have r square. So diameter they are given 12 centimeter means r is how much here? We have r is 6. So it is 36 into height is 15. Okay, this equal to n keep as it is. Now this 1 by 3 is also as it is. Now r square, this r is 3 here, so we'll keep this one 9. Okay, now into bracket of h. So which one it is? Height of cone. So total the toy is 7 centimeter. So hemisphere radius is 3 means the height of cone is 4. Okay, so 4 plus 2 into r, 2 into this is 6 will come. Okay, now the next step we have. So this 36 into 15 keep as it is, this equal to 3 ones are 3 3s are. So 3 into n it is. Now next into bracket of 4 plus it is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10. So let me solve here. So now this quantity will take this side. So what will be happens, just we can see here n as it is. Now n if it is as it is means 36 into 15 by this is 3 into 10 is remaining. Okay, now next, so n as it is. Now this is 3 ones are 3 5s are 5 ones are 5 2s are. Now 2 ones are and this is 2. Okay, so 12 will come here, 20. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 5s are 5 ones are 5 2s are. Now this is this happens. Now is there anything remaining here? Okay, 2 ones are and this is 2 ones are and 16 8s are. So 18 will come here, n is equal to 18. Okay, okay. So now just you can see this is 3 into 10. So remaining this is 36. R square is 36 into h height of the, okay, 15 we have. Now we done again if you want. Okay, 3 ones are 3, it is everything 3 ones are and 3 12s are will come. This is now this is otherwise. Okay, it is correct 15, 5 ones are 5 2s are 2 ones are 2 18s are. N is equal to 18 will come. Somewhere it is 3 ones are 3 3s are. So again 4 plus 3 into 10 is 30. So 15 ones are 15 2s are and okay 18s are 36. Everything is fine here. N is equal to 18 will come here. Okay, so I hope you understood very well, and this is the last problem of the what surface areas and volumes. Study it very thoroughly. So once you study it very thoroughly means you will get your answers very clearly, and you should and must know the what formulas. Okay, if you know the formulas very well, and as per the time you need to apply all the formulas. Okay, if they are given or combinations, this is the combination of figure is there, how we need to apply, what we need to do, just you can think it and just imagine it, and then you can apply the formula, you will get your desired answers. Okay, thank you.